For 100 years now, big utilities have had a monopoly over our power. As a result, they've always been able to charge whatever they want, whenever they please. They've ripped us apart with hidden fees and silly surcharges. They've convinced us there's no way out. And they've profited madly from us being powerless. But now, their time in the sun is up because today's the day that all changes. If you qualify, we're not kidding when we tell you there's a 100% foolproof, guaranteed way to lower your power bill. To make sure it stays low for decades, and to have it cost nothing out of your pocket. How's this possible? It's called Zero Down Solar. It's so ingenious, the friend that invited you here was blown away and had to make sure you saw it. You see, in the past, most people have thought of solar energy as expensive or something only tree huggers use. But that's no longer the case. Not even close. In fact, solar is sweeping the nation with one new homeowner signing up every 3 minutes. The truth is, solar could be the cheapest way to power your home. Over the past few years, the cost has dropped over 80%. In fact, it's so cheap, you don't have to pay anything to go solar anymore. That's what zero down means. Instead, just pay for the power the panels produce, like an electric bill, except cheaper. And by converting, not only are you saving a fortune, you're helping to clean up our air and stop carbon pollution. Put simply, it's all the power you need at a fraction of the cost. And it's all driven by 100% natural sunlight. Honestly, it couldn't get much better. Now, we know you might be saying, geez, that sounds great, but I don't know anything about it. Where do I even start? Well, we've got good news for you. Your friend found the perfect company. Going solar is simpler than you think. And lucky for you, your friend has partnered up with Solar City, the #1 residential solar company in the world, with over 250,000 homes gone solar to date. Solar City is backed by the likes of Google and Goldman Sachs and co-founded by visionary genius Elon Musk, the guy behind PayPal and Tesla. There's no better route to solar than the one through Solar City. Here's where it gets really exciting. Lowering your bill all starts with a free consultation. By analyzing your roof from a satellite, Solar City can show you exactly how much money you'll save day one, how much money you'll save over the lifetime of your system, and how much good you'll do for the environment to boot. The best part is, not once will you ever pull out a credit card, even if you decide to go solar. All of this is explained in less than 20 minutes, and then you can choose for yourself. The bottom line is, it just plain makes sense to get a consultation. It's free, it's clean, and it could save you tons of money. And even if you decide against it, you walk away from the experience with an in-depth understanding of one of the most exciting advances in the history of energy, for free. In other words, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So what do you say? Let's take your insanely expensive energy bills, rip them right to shreds, and replace them with cheaper, better ones you control. Don't delay on this. You have no idea how much money you're losing each month until you see. Get your free proposal from Solar City and be one step closer to the power of the future.